Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing for you and a giveaway for you in today's video. We are unboxing the May Ipsy X Box. Let me set this down. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway, as well as I try and do giveaways from each of my unboxings. For the month of May, the eyeshadow palette giveaway is the Juvia's Place Walhalla 2 palette. Such pretty colors in here. Love working with this. This is mine. I have a brand new one for you. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Talks about how to enter this one as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. To enter the giveaways, it's really easy. Just watch the videos in their entirety. Be subscribed. Somewhere in here is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. And then for the other giveaways, there's also a Google form link on this one, and there's a Google form link on those other ones as well. As far as what I have on my eyes today, it is the Bella in Argent. It is their Nude Intuitive Vision palette. Looks like this on the inside, just some really pretty nude shadows. I really do like the Bella in Argent formula. So, if you've been around for a little while and you know the struggle that I had with the Ipsy X, they kind of screwed up my billing on it, said I wasn't going to get it, won't get the Ipsy X until August. And then they said that they were going to send it out, but I don't get to choose any of the items. And then it's super late getting here. So, yeah, I'm not really happy about not getting to choose my items because I would have made some different choices, I'm pretty sure. But this is the X Box. The X Box does retail for $50. There's 7 to 8 full-size items in the X Box. They do also have their $25 a month box if you want to get that. It's called the Ipsy Plus. And there's 5 full-size items for $25. On months, because the X only comes out quarterly, on months when it is an X month, you do not get, and you have the Plus membership, you do not get your Plus box for that month. You will be billed an extra $25 to make it that $54, and you'll get the X Box instead. You can also get the Glam Bag, which is 5 mainly deluxe size samples. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size item in there, and that's $12 a month. If you are interested in checking out Ipsy, I do have a code for them in the description box down below. It does help you out monetarily, and it helps me out on anything like add-ons that I want to do with them in the future. I did get this in an add-on in the past from Ipsy. So let's find out what's in here. We're giving away one of these items to one of you. So it does have kind of like a little magazine. And it says, "Welcome to my world, love. I'm so excited to have you. I can't wait for you to experience my Glam Bag X Drop. When you grow up with a mom and sisters as glam as mine, makeup and skincare are a part of your DNA. So I filled my Glam Bag X with all of my favorite things. Makeup is the ultimate form of self-expression. I love that I can have a snatched eye one day, a bold lip the other, and I can essentially play a different character every single day. This collection is full of everything you need to experiment, play, and discover your signature looks. It's beyond. My Glam Bag X lets you in on all my beauty secrets, from my go-to products to tips from my inner circle and exclusive access to my glam team. Basically, you're getting the full VIP treatment. I absolutely love this collab, and I know you will too. Khloe Kardashian." Oh, and I gotta tell you guys, made my week last week when Khloe liked one of my Instagram posts. Just throwing that out there. That was awesome. So you could have gotten the Charlotte Tilbury Charlotte Magic Cream, retailing for $100. I really wanted that one. You could have got the Herbivore Botanics Prism AHA BHA Exfoliating Glow Facial, retailing for $58. The Rodial Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm, retailing for $59. The 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster, retailing for $135. That is what they chose for me. This is Chloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten skin, hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. Why she loves it. This looks so fab on my bathroom counter and even better on her skin. Do I think they overpriced their prices on 111 Skin? Yeah. 135 bucks. I mean, come on. And then this is what she looks like. It does have kind of like a pearl-esque look to it. Let's drop a little bit on. $135. Don't want to be putting too much. Wasting it too much. It does feel really, really nice on the skin though. Love that. So there were two eyeshadow palettes. You could have got the One Size Praktextra Visionary Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $42. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance Eyeshadow Palette, retailing for $45. I did get the Modern Renaissance one. This is the one that I wanted. This range of neutrals to berries in matte and metallic finishes all over Chloe's stamp of approval, but you don't need to be a pro to use them. They're easy to blend and highly pigmented. Why she loves it. These pink shades are so major. I love how feminine they make me feel. I think I only have from Anastasia Beverly Hills their Subculture palette. So when I saw that this was one of them, I was happy about that. Kind of looks like this. I do want to pick up the Soft Glam too from Anastasia. Here is what it looks like on the inside. Let's do some swatches. I do wish that there was kind of like a deeper shimmer, but let's do these two right here. It is Primavera and Berber. These two right here. Oh, you guys are like butter. Then let's do these two. And then let's pick up this deeper pink in here as well. So, I mean, they swatch on the fingers really nicely. See how the test of the hands. The shimmers obviously swatch better than the mattes. So that's one swipe. See if we can build that up just a little bit. Yeah, they are easily buildable. And I'm going to kind of like overly build it so you can just see what they look like. Obviously you don't have to build them up this much, but there you go. Pretty. So I haven't tried anything from this brand and I wanted to. This is the Ole Hennixon Banana Bright Eye Cream. It does retail for $39. This brightening eye cream disguises even the darkest under eyes. Vitamin C and E, plump skin with a color correcting yellow tint inspired by banana powder. Yellow tint usually doesn't look good on me. Instantly camouflages dark circles and redness. Why she loves it. The eye cream helps me look well rested after a 5 a.m. workout. It does look like this as far as the packaging. I can smell citrusy. I can't really smell anything banana in it. Kind of looks like this. It's not too yellow. It might have like a, maybe it does a little bit, but I have pretty veiny hands and tried putting it over one of the veins. And I mean, you could still see it right through here. So I have to kind of like really monkey with it and see if it really works or not. If you guys have used it, let me know. From MAC Cosmetics is the Love Me Lipstick in Bated Breath. Does retail for $21. This perfectly pink nude lip starts with this lipstick. One swipe treats your pout to a dose of moisture thanks to argan oil and coats lips with the weightless, long-lasting pigments and a soft satin finish. Why she loves it. I like to tap it on for a light wash of color. You don't even need a mirror. Here's what the packaging on it looks like. And here is the color. It's really, really pretty. So like I said, we're giving away one of these items to one of you. You could have also gotten from Kosas the Big Clean Volumizing Lash Curl Mascara in Intense Black. Hennixon Banana Bright Face Primer. Tower 28 Shine On Milky Lip Jelly. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pen. That was one that I really wanted to choose. I have gotten this one in the past. It is RMS Beauty Lip to Cheek in Demure. Does retail for $36. You know, the perfectly flush skin in all of Chloe's selfies. She gets it with this. Use your fingers to tap on your cheeks, lids, and lips for a soft flush and dose of good for skin shea butter and butyrate oil. Why she loves it. This look just as good applied with a beauty sponge, plus it saves my long nails. I do like using liquid cheaps with beauty sponges. Packaging kind of looks like this. Here's what this one looks like. So you could have also gotten the Route Beauty, the Party Peel, Kopari CBT Recovery Balm, the MAC Romantic Lashes, the Aceology Overnight Lip Mask, the Christopher Robin Cleanse Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt, the Olaplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment. From Lola, the Breathe Shea Butter Hand Cream, and I did that. And I have tried the Lola hand creams before. If you watched my project pan from last year, it was the hand cream that was in my project pan last year. It was a different scent than this. And this does retail for $26. Indulge your hands in nourishing shea butter, cocoa butter, and plant oils that nix dryness on contact. And here's what this one looks like. Love it. From Complex Culture is the Rose Quartz Geisha, retailing for $28. Massage your face with this traditional Chinese tool to help minimize puffiness and relieve tension. I do kind of love it, using it in the morning when it's like really cold, because I have tried them in the past. And then just rub it like down the sides of your face, kind of getting all that puffiness out. And it does come in, it does have this cute little pouch to help protect it. You could get the Color Wow Hair Pop Lock Frizz Control Glossy Serum. I was kind of looking forward to that one. Another one I was looking forward to was the Sunday Rally CEO Glow Vitamin C plus Turmeric Face Oil. You could get the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist Powder. You could get the Ricky Loves Ricky Cutie. Which I think looks really cute. You could get the Ipsy Peony Train Case, which is the one that I wanted. You could get the Moon Oral Care Kendall Jenner Teeth Whitening Pen in Vanilla Mint. You could get the Dose & Co. Unflavored Collagen Peptides. If you saw my new beauty test tube box that I unboxed last week, it does have a giveaway in that one as well. I did get that Dose & Co. in there as well. And then you could get from KNC Beauty Kiss My Lips All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask. It does retail for $39. Your lips are in for a treat of plumping collagen and moisturizing oils that will leave them soft and smooth. And let's see how many are in here. And there are 5 masks in here. I love doing lip masks, so happy about these. So I mean, I thought it was a good box. You got your $50 worth. Was it the items that I would have picked besides the palette? That would be the only one that I would have definitely picked out of the bunch. It is what it is. Hopefully they get it right next time, or I think I'm done with X. What do you guys think? What do you guys think I should do? Let me know in the comments down below. Secret word, lips. So I think for this giveaway, we are going to give away that MAC lipstick. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to only fill it out once. You can get bonus entries, and I will put the bonus entries in for you. How you get bonus entries is if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB. I do have a Twitter account that'll give you an extra bonus entry. It is BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. If you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel here. On that Google form link, make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed, and also put on it that secret word. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you so I can brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. So your privacy is very, very important to me. So when we do pick the winner, I do kind of this spin the wheel where I'll put the names in, put first name and first initial of your last name in, and then I'll also let the computer know if you have bonus entries. Once the giveaway is over, I do go and delete that Google form. Nobody else has access to it. I do not sell your information in any way. Your privacy is very important to me. So let's have this giveaway go through June 11th, midnight p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then on June 16th, we'll do that spin the wheel. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I'd greatly appreciate it if you were to check them out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.